cure to all the diseases and through let me just get a text. The protons are in a molecular state of entity. This means it circulates around itself. Why? Because plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 4. This is the nature of Alzheimer's. 5 plus 4 is the neurons that are firing up from your mind, or you don't say mind, from your head. This means a proton is equal to a neutron plus an electron. Because, why? Because this is the way to the nature of sound. This is a way to the nature of life. This is a way to the nature of death. 5 plus 5 is equal to 25. Why? Because 5 is the protons plus neutrons plus electrons in the body. The body contains electrons that are not minus 1, but plus 1, and they are the same in nature as a proton. Now, why 25? Because 25 is 2 plus 2, which is 4, times 5, which is equal to 20, plus 2 plus 4. Why? Because 4, so this would be 20, 22, 26, but it would be 24. Why? Because 4 is the atom of 20. This is a diagram to explain furthermore about this matter. This is a proton. So let's start doing it in like so. This is a proton. This is an electron. And this is a neutron. So when a proton plus and a neutron minus and an electron, let's draw this in black. Combine together. When they all combine together, they form something called atomic measure of sound and atomic measure of the nature of sound and attention. What this means, let me just what this means is, let me place it here. What this means is that it will be okay to find out the nature of sound while neurons are firing up, and the nature while neurons are firing up and while electrons are firing down. The nature of electrons is equal to the nature of protons. This means that 1 plus 1 is equal to 100 plus 100. Now we figured out the nature of sound. This is the nature of attention. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Why? Because 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. However, or you can say but, or however, this is just the world's numbers combined to form a formula which is false by nature. Okay. Now let me explain these ones. We now know that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 12. 12 plus 12 is equal to 20. 20 plus 20 is equal to 24. 24 plus 24 is equal to 25. 25 plus 25 is equal to 26. 26 plus 26 is equal to 27. 27 plus 27 is equal to 28. 28 plus 28 is equal to 29. 29 plus 29 is equal to 30. 30 plus 30 is equal to 31. 31 plus 31 is equal to 32. 32 plus 32 is equal to 33. 33 plus 33 is equal to 34. 34 plus 34 is equal to 35. 35 plus 35 is equal to 36. Let me explain this. We stopped at counting, or you can say at 36. This means our cognitive attention dysfunctional catastrophe or dysfunctional, this with the Y, autonomy is equal to 38. Why? Because we always think ahead. Now, I hope you're taking notes here, or you're seeing what I'm writing. So now I'm gonna clear some stuff. I'm gonna clear out this portion, and we're good. So we stopped at 36. This means our cognitive attention dysfunctional autonomy is equal to 30. Why? Because we think ahead. Now, what is 1 plus 1 plus 1? It is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2. Because 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is the rational thinker's mind. Nothing is definite by nature. We are all indefinite. So we will find out what definite means and why. This means hope. Or in other words, hopeful, obligatory, dysfunctional, rational, bipolar thinking. Let's read it again. We are all indefinite, so we will find out what definite means and why this means hopeful, obligatory, dysfunctional, rational, bipolar thinking. This means bipolar is dysfunctional, but this is definite. We therefore find out what dysfunctional is. It's the protons, neutrons, and electrons in our body that are definite and are defined by atomic masses. What is atomic mass? This is the question we need to know. Okay, I hope you're writing some stuff here. Atomic mass is the quantity of the bipolar disorder plus the dysfunctional minus the well-being of a proton and a neutron. This means that bipolar is the one we need to think about. Why? Because we will find out how the atomic nature is. 1 plus 1 is equal to 34. This is a rational decision. 1 plus 1 is equal to 34. Rational decision. 1 plus 1 is equal to 35. Non-rational decision. Hope you're following up. 1 plus 1 is equal to 35. Rational decision. Why? Because 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 35 minus 22, which is equal to 13. This is a rational decision. However, this is a non-rational decision which is rational. Yes, we thought of it in our minds and we got it as a non-rational decision which was rational, meaning it was there before time and space. I have to say this, but I say it every time I learn something new, and it's called Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad, or we say, in God we trust. Now, to find out this meaning of the rational decision, we need to find the protons, neutrons, electrons, and monotons, protons, electromagnificentons, or tonic, or tons. Now, what is tons? It is T-O-N-S, which is equal to decision making. Let me clear one of my okay. Let's see if I can do this. No, I can't. Anyways, let's just split it up. Okay, what is tons? It is tons, T-O-N-S, which is equal to decision making. What is decision making? It is the equality of the world's largest number, which is 100,088 plus 100,099 plus 100,021 plus 100,029 plus 100,024, I'm sorry, plus 100,089. Okay, so we wrote 100,088. Let's just write 0.88 plus 100,000.99 plus 100,000, 21.21 plus 100,000, 24.24. So this is larger. I'm not counting the zeros here. I'm just saying it's 100,000 plus 100,000, 89, 8.9. This is the world's largest number because it cannot be defined. And definition cannot be defined. And God cannot be defined. And math cannot be defined. And protons are not defined by nature only when the 1 is equal to 2 and the 2 is equal to the 3. Therefore, 1 is equal to God, and God is equal to 3. Therefore, 1 is equal to 3, and 3 is equal to 1. And this is the thing, this is the one we need to make sure of what is 1 and what is 3. 3 is equal to protons minus electrons minus neutrons, which is equal to 1, which is Mother Nature of atomic mass. Now let me take this out. The Mother Nature of atomic mass is equal to 55 plus 126 plus 127 plus 128.9 plus 10.10. This is the world's largest number found. 129.10 minus 129.21 plus 129.21 plus 129.24. This is the equation of the world's degree of mass, and by far it means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and 4 plus 4 is equal to 6, and 6 plus 6 is equal to 7, and 7 plus 7 is equal to 8, and 8 plus 8 is equal to 9. Now we found a form of language we can communicate with atomic mass. Thank you, and watch for another video.